This poem is about a little bit of optimism. Sometimes life asks a lot, and sometimes it asks very little. Sometimes you can feel strong, and sometimes you can feel brittle. But when life is at its darkest and you see no color in the prism, that's when you most need to believe and practice some blind optimism. It's true that life can be a mess, and sometimes it's hard to get through. And as much as you want things better, there's only so much you can do. Problems can fall like dominoes, and you see no glimmer of hope. You really want to say yes to life, but life just keeps saying nope. Well, so when life lifts you up or down with the changing of the tides, feel the power in your breath, and remember, life provides. It may not give you what you want, and it may sound like a platitude, but it's easier to notice the gifts of life when you practice gratitude. So in your dark night of the soul, when there is no light to see, let go of what you think life is and be grateful that you get to be.